Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, Astrid Hofferson is Hiccup Horrendous Haddock IA's girlfriend in the How to Train Your Dragon series. Their relationship evolves from being friends to eventually romantic partners, showcasing a strong bond and mutual respect. Astrid's character is known for her fierce personality and is a significant source of support and inspiration for Hiccup throughout their adventures.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.